Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to edit the style options of your Webflow website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the options in Webflow, and here you'll be able to see all of the websites that you have already created. Here you have the option to go ahead and create a new website if you want, but for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up the website that I have already created right here called YouTube Tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and open it by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer, and now this will open up the website in the page. As you can see, now we are in designer mode. So let's look at the left side of the screen, and here you can see all of the options that you will need for editing your website and seeing all of the components of your website. Here you have navigation, you have the section option, you have footers and so on, and similar options. And the right side of the screen is the side that we'll be using today. Here are all the options that we need for editing our website. So guys, as you can see right here is the option called style. And let's go ahead and show you how it works right now guys. So let's go ahead and select some text that we want. Let's say we want to edit this text right here. Go ahead guys and click on it once. And as you can see, now we're going to have the option to edit a component, but we do not want to edit a component. I'm going to choose something that isn't a component, such as this. And now as you can see here guys, after clicking on this text right here, now we have the option under style to edit the style of the option that we have selected. So now we can edit the style of the text. As you can see, we can change the spacing if we want, you can change the margins and so on. And as you can see, it is very easy to do. All you need is click and drag. You can change the size of the text, the position, you can even change the background color and so on. Here you have a lot of options that you can use. And basically this is what style is used for. You can edit all of the options and components and the images and similar that you have on your website. And after you are satisfied guys, then you'll see that the changes will be saved automatically right here. And now after you have edited your style and you're satisfied, then you can just click on anywhere to exit out, and now you have successfully change the style of your text and or anything similar that you want. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.